Hi, I'm Tracy Chevaillier. If you're watching the video, that means that I have you in either environmental science or marine science honors up in room 235. So there's a whole lot up in the air about what we're doing this year, but some things never change. So we're going to learn a lot more about the planet that we live on. You probably want to know a little about me. So I graduated from the University of Florida. I've been in the classroom about 26 years now, and this is my 9th year at Plant. And so if you do that math, you know that I've been in high school since the 1980s. And so that probably tells you everything you need to know about my sense of humor. Things that you'll need for class. Students usually use a 1-inch binder like this. I'm thinking that the share box is probably not going to be so much a thing this year, so you'll want to grab some colored pencils. And we can, as time goes on, we can develop that idea a little bit more the more that we know about how we're proceeding with the school year. If you want to know more about this specific curriculum for your class, what I'm going to do is I'll have some Zoom meetings on next Wednesday, the 19th. Just email me at this email, and I'll send you a link to that Zoom meeting. All right, thanks.